how to protect your software and applications from malicious attacks of hackers and intruders. In this video, I'll share a few common aspects to take into consideration. In another video, I've mentioned identity and access management systems and how you can leverage it to provide secure access to systems and applications for your employees. In fact, the same is true for systems and applications. IAM will provide a much-needed clarity in this network of systems, users, and permissions. This is even more important in cloud-based infrastructures that rely heavily on identity as a security measure rather than more traditional tools such as firewalls. Every cloud provider, be it AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, has a first-party IAM, but the market is also full of other choices. Whatever your efforts to protect access, they might not be enough to stop intruders from exploiting your unpatched system. With thousands of vulnerabilities discovered every month, it's an open secret that every system and application is in some way at risk. That's why vulnerability management is so critical in modern IT systems. A VM system deployed in your infrastructure can alert you of exposed systems that need to be patched, but integrated with workflow of your developers, for example, as part of a CI/CD pipeline, can catch new possible exploitation routes introduced by developers. SQL injection, XSS, CSRF, you name it. It's called OWASP Top 10 Vulnerabilities because they're really so common. As an example, the aforementioned SQL injection is a popular and basic in its nature form of attack. It works by running SQL queries using an HTML form input field, and it's especially important for public-facing systems and applications. When a system is not protected against it, a dangerous SQL query may get executed, and the attacker can get access to the data stored in a database and potentially also alter or even delete the data. Basic protection against this form of attack is to always escape the text from an input fields on the backend. Make it a policy for your developers to use ORM library instead of more direct database integration, or even set up a web application firewall on the edge of your network to protect applications against layer 7 attacks. Don't forget to use and manage secrets, for instance certificates and access keys. By default, all data should be encrypted at rest and ideally also in transit using a strong encryption algorithm such as AES 256 or stronger. But it's only a partial solution. Secrets tend to leak and come out in the everyday life, and that's equally or even more true for IT. Certificates and keys often get exposed or accidentally leaked, thereby exposing your systems. There are a couple of good practices to prevent it from happening and gain more control of your secrets. First, use a secrets management system such as HashiCorp Vault or AWS Secrets Manager, or at least don't store them in plain text. Rotate your secrets often. Some secrets are exposed and should be rotated every 30 days. For other internal secrets, a 90-day retention period should be just fine. Use complex secrets, long and strong passwords, modern encryption algorithms where possible, like the aforementioned AES 256. Don't store your secrets in code, documents, or Jira support tickets, or anywhere else where they might get exposed and stolen. Start with the basics of application and system security, and as you get into more and more complex projects and ideas, ask for help from an experienced specialist. This is just the basics. To learn more, check out our website and other videos.